Hello everyone, my name is Sonali Trivedi and I am from Sri Swamina Institute of Technology, and here our subject is Contributor Personality Development Program, and the subject code is 316002. In 6th SEM we are going to study Contributor Personality Development Program. So let's start. Unit number 2, Creating Value. Unit 2, Creating Value. First of all, we are going to discuss about the definition of what is the meaning of value. The definition of value, it means creation is giving something else that is more valuable to you. And the definition is broad and captures both costs and benefits. Further, it implies to owners, customers and employees also. Next, our subject is Contributor Percent Development Program. We must have to be familiar with the contributor's identity. Who am I? A contributor's identity is their vision, their potential to contribute, their urge to contribute, and their eagerness to take responsibilities. And I would like to tell you, it is also a true contributor is identify such values, and non-contributors and contributors define themselves differently, like static and dynamic identity. Develop your answer like who am I? Here we are going to develop our answer. Contributors define themselves in terms of what they will become or accomplish. For example, capacity to deliver, what they can do, commitment, ownership of the organization's purpose, etc. So you have to identify your own self, what I can do and who am I. So in society you have to prove that, you have to show your capacity. This is dynamic identity based on your being and becoming. Such an identity lets you choose to live a better future. Contributor is always ready to accept new challenges and they enjoy their work. He or she is always ready to face any challenges, and this is a golden opportunity for me to learn something new. Let me give it a try. So she is ready to accept the challenge, and जो opportunity उसको मिली है, so उससे वो she is going to learn something new also. Static identity, what does it mean? Look at here. Non-contributors usually define themselves in terms of what they have acquired in life. Okay, मैंने अपने जीवन में what I have acquired in my life, but they are not satisfied, and they are just fulfilled with their requirements also. So like qualification, position, years of experience, etc. This is a static identity based on your past glories or past failures. Static identity, वो past, a person is just living in the past glories and failures में. He or she is not ready to accept any challenges and not to just go through the whatever has happened in the past, and just in a normal phase में वो आए, नॉर्मल नेचर में वो आ जाए, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. स्टैटिक आइडेंटिटी वो है. स्टैटिक आइडेंटिटी एंड डायनेमिक आइडेंटिटी. Look at here. Static identity is I is equal my degrees and awards. You just focus on my degrees and my awards. And dynamic identity is I, it means my power to contribute in the current situation. करंट सिचुएशन, करंट सिनेरियो में मेरा जो पावर है अपना, उसमें मैं कैसे हेल्पफुल कर सकता हूँ अपनी सोसाइटी को. Look at here, these are the images. contributor is committed to the responsibility of his role. Look at the two pictures. Don't worry, sir. Work will be completed before I leave. A person is ready to commitment. सर के लिए वो कमिट कर रहा है कि सर जब तक काम नहीं होगा मैं डोंट वरी सर, जब तक काम नहीं होगा मैं यहाँ से नहीं जाऊँगा. लुक एट हियर द टाइम्स अप, सॉरी सर बाय, टाइम इज़ ओवर. वो पर्सन ही इज़ लिविंग इन द टाइम के हिसाब से वो चलने वाला है, लेकिन ही इज़ रेडी, work is incomplete, so I am here, and after completion of work I will go to home. Extra qualities, comprehension है. extra qualities में आप देखिए, Samsung recalled the first version of the Galaxy Note 7 mobile phone due to the faulty batteries that overheated, heated and exploded. This led to the phone being banned on flights. The company had to recall over 2 million of the defective product, costing the company $5.3 billion. In a recent interview, the president of Samsung said technology innovation is important to Samsung, but our customers' safety is more important. We want to reinstate trust in the brand. Recently, Samsung has taken actions to improve situations. You have to read this para 2-3 times. This is a comprehension. And now look at here. This is a question which is going to arise. How can a company ensure that there is a minimal risk of releasing defective product in the market? A, B and C. By being innovative when checking for quality, by being strict in enforcing quality control, and by being customer focused. What is the worst consequence of releasing a defective product in the market? Question number 2. A, the company loses prospective customers. B, the company has to build its brand again. C, the company loses money when replacing the defective products. 3. Why do companies release so many new versions of the same product? A, to keep up with the competition, to offer high quality products with technological improvements. Question number 4. When the phone was banned on airplanes, teams of Samsung employees were sent to airports to help customers by collecting their phones. What could be the reason for Samsung to respond like this? A, to reduce the inconvenience caused to customers due to the ban, to show the customers that the company was trying to solve their problem. So you are going to find out which is the better option for you. These are all the MCQ questions. You have to read 2-3 times the same questions and look at here. 1 2 3 4 है तो A है 1 4 2 3 ये सीरीज में है. B है तो 2 4 1 3 सीरीज में है. C है तो 2 1 4 3 and 1 D है तो 1 2 4 3. So you have to think twice before you are going to select any options. So these are 3 questions are in this way: 1 2 4 3, 2 1 3 4 and 2 1 4 3, like that. So you have to इस तरह से आपके रैंकिंग सिस्टम्स होंगी. So to read the comprehension 2 or 3 times and after that you have to select your better option. Look at here. These are the also environmentalists are constantly warning us that in another 20 years there will be no clean drinking water. How should people respond to such news? So rank in order of most contributive option to least contributive option. So most to least comprehension में आपको 1 2 3 4 में आपको you have to read this point. A B C D में कौन सा फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड 4 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, and final number है कानन. So you have to read these points and then after you have to select A B C D. In a workplace, having lunch together can be viewed as an opportunity to build team spirit and bonding, an opportunity to enjoy when not working. So workplace में having lunch together can be viewed, वो भी आपको सोचना पड़ेगा कि जहाँ पर मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ वहाँ पर लंच हम सब ले रहे हैं, तो हमारी जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है वो क्या हमें कैसे हेल्प करती है. पेरेंट्स डिसिप्लिन चिल्ड्रन एज दे फील they know what is best for the child, as they want the child to make thoughtful choices. One needs to get out of one's comfort zone, A or B, to make the most from new opportunities, to taste one's limits of discomfort. And in underprivileged citizen who has opened a new bank account under a government scheme is likely to feel empowered and feel proud. So you have to select the better options. Thank you very much, dear all.